ሄሎ እንደምናላችሁ ይህ አሃ ቲዩብ ነው። ዛሬ አፕላይድ ማቴማቲክስ 1 ዩኒት ቬክተር የሚል ሰብ ቶፒክ ይዤ መጥቻለሁ። So simply unit vector is a vector having a length or norm of 1 unit magnitude, 1 unit length or 1 unit norm ያለው ቬክተር ዩኒት ቬክተር ይባላል። So any unit vector can be fully represented by providing its magnitude and a unit vector along its direction. Okay, unit vector along its direction. ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ ቢኖረን እንደዚህ አንድ ቬክተር ቢኖረን okay, suppose this is vector v. So unit vector እዚች ጋር we can have a unit vector like this along its direction ያለ ሌንግዙ አንድ ዩኒት የሆነ ቬክተር ሊኖረንና ሪፕሬዘንት ልናደርግ እንችላለን። So along its direction unit vector ካገኘንና የዚህን ማግኒቲዩድ ካገኘን it's possible to represent a unit vector. So the unit vector along a vector A is represented as A, okay, A, እንደዚህ unit vector እንደዚህ ነው represent የሚደረገው። So unit vector magnitude, which is the norm or the magnitude of a vector is like this. Vector A ካለን if we have vector A, so its magnitude is or its norm is absolute value of or norm of A. ስለዚህ እቺ ዩኒት ቬክተር ሲባዛ by the norm of the vector is equal to the vector itself. ስለዚህ ከዚህ ምን እናገኛለን? ኦኬ ከዚህ ይሄ ሲካፈል ለዚህ ኦኬ ዩኒት ቬክተር along the vector A is equal to A divided by norm of A divided by the magnitude of A. So A divided by norm of A is the unit vector along the vector A. ቀላል ነው። ረጋ ብሎ ብቻ ማየት ነው ነገርየው ቀላል። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር አንድ ጥያቄ አለ። Find a unit vector in the direction of A, semicolon. A is this one. Okay, A is represented by 3 letters. ሶስት ኮኦርዲኔት ያለው ነው 3 2 2. ስለዚህ ይሄንን ዩኒት ቬክተር አሎንግ ኤ ለማግኘት ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለብን? መጀመሪያ we have to find the norm of A. So ከዚህ በፊት እንደምታውቁት norm of A is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of these numbers. Okay, the numbers along x, y, z. ስለዚህ A ይሄ ነው. So that norm of A is equal to 3 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 squared. ይሄን ጎላ አድርገው. Okay, 3 squared. Okay. So ይሄንን ስናይ this is going to be square root of 9 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. Norm of A is, now this is 8, 17. The square root of 17 is norm of A. ስለዚህ the unit vector along A, okay, is equal to A itself, the vector A itself divided by norm of A. A is what? This is to mean 1 over norm of A times vector A. Okay? ይሄ ምን ማለት ነው? This is equal to norm of A is 17, so 1 over 17 times 3, 2, is the unit vector along A. ይሄንን ተንትነው ካላችሁ okay, this is going to be 3, so this is square root, okay, 3 over square root of 17, 2 over square root of 17, 2 over square root of 17 is the unit vector along A. Okay, the unit vector along A. So ልክ እንደዚህ ውስጥ ሌላም ኤክሰርሳይዝ አለን እንያብረን። Okay, እዚህ ጋር ኤግዛምፕል 2 አለን. Given 3 vectors, vector A with coordinates 0, 1, 4, vector B with coordinates 2, 0, 3, and vector C with coordinate 2, 2, 0. Now find a unit vector in the direction of a plus b minus 2c. a plus b minus 2c. ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ሲምፕሊ ቬክተር ሰም እናካሄዳለን። ከዛ ደግሞ ቬክተር መልቲፕሊኬሽን ዊዝ ስካላር እናካሄዳለን። ከዛ ሁለቱን እንቀንሳለን። ናው ሁለት ፓርት ስላለው ሁለት ጊዜ እንስራ። ሁለት ፓርት ስላለው ሁለት ጊዜ እንስራ። the first part okay ይሄንን እንስራ። ይሄንን እንስራ። so vector a is 0, 1, 4 ይሄንን plus this is vector a. Vector b is 2, 0, 3 ሁለቱ ቬክተሮች መደመር ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄ ያሰመርንበት ፓርት ይሄ ማይነስ 2 times vector c 2 into 2 2, 0 ኦኬ ማባዛት ጉድ። ስለዚህ ይሄን ስንደምር 0 plus 2 is 2 ኦኬ 1 plus 0 is 0, the second element. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 7. This is a plus b, vector a plus b. Minus 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is again 4, 2 times 0 is 0. 0. So this is 2c vector. Okay, 2i's of vector c. ስለዚህ ስንቀንስ first element ነው የምንቀንሰው meaning 2 minus 4, 0 minus 4, 7 minus 0. Okay, this is our vector. ይሄ ስንት ሆነ ማለት ነው? 2 minus 4 is negative 2, 0 minus 4 is negative 4, 7 minus, okay, 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay, this is the vector we have. ቬክተራችን ይሄ ነው። ስለዚህ along this vector unit vector ነው ፈልጉ ይችላል። for convenience እንዲመቸን let this vector, okay, vector a plus vector b minus, okay, 2i's of vector c is equal to vector u, okay, vector u, which is equal to negative 2, negative 4, 7. እንዲመቸን ቅድም እንዳየነው ዩኒት ቬክተር ስንፈልግ መጀመሪያ ኖርሙን እንፈልጋለን ወይ ማግኒቲዩዱን እንፈልጋለን። ኖርሙን ካገኘን በኋላ ቬክተሩን በኖርሙ እናካፍላለን። so the magnitude of this vector okay, the magnitude of this vector is equal to the magnitude of u. ስለዚህ magnitude of u or norm of u is equal to norm of this vector, right? This is equal to square root of negative 2 squared plus negative 4 squared plus 7 squared. Okay, 7 squared. 2 squared is 4. Okay, and negative 4 squared is 16 plus 7 squared is 49. Okay, this is equal to square root of, okay, here higher no 20 plus this is 69. 20 plus 49 is 69. Okay, square root of 69. Square root of 69. Let's check out on that. Let's see. Okay, the sum is 1. Sorry, this is 1. Okay, the sum is 7. So let's see, 2 minus 4 is 2 minus 4. Sorry, 2 minus 4. Here 1 minus 4. 7 minus 0. So let's see, 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Okay, negative 3. Then 7. So let's see, this is going to be negative 3. Okay, negative 3. ስለዚህ this is going to be negative 3 squared, then this is going to be 9. okay 9 ይሄ ሲደመር 58 ነው። ከዚህ ጋር 62 square root of 62. thank you። ይሄን ካደረግን በኋላ the unit vector along this vector or the unit vector along u, okay, unit vector along u is represented as u, okay, so this is equal to the unit vector u divided by, sorry, the vector u in capital, the vector u divided by norm of u, okay, norm of u። ስለዚህ ይሄ ቬክተራችን አለ። ይሄ ቬክተራችን ስንት ነው? this is okay። ይሄ ቬክተራችን እንደዚህ ሪፕሬዘንት ማድረግ እንችላለን u። ይሄ ቬክተራችን ስንት ነው? ይሄ ቬክተራችን okay ይሄ ነው። so 1 over square root of 62 times negative 2 comma negative 3 comma 7, okay, is the unit vector along this vector። ይሄን ስንተነትን ደግሞ እንዴት እናደርጋለን? this is equal to negative 2 over square root of 62 comma negative 3 over square root of 62 comma 7 over square root of 62. This is the unit vector along this vector. The unit vector along this vector. ከዚህ በኋላ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ልክ እነዚህን ስቴፖች በደንብ ከተለማመዳችሁ በኋላ ኤክሰርሳይዝ የምታደርጉት ሁለት ጥያቄዎች ይሰጣችኋል ከነመልሱ። እሺ ኤክሰርሳይዛችን ይሄ ነው። ዩኒት ቬክተር አፕላይድ ማቴማቲክስ 1 ኤክሰርሳይዝ given 3 vectors, vector p represented by 2 2 2, vector q represented by 3 3 3, and vector r represented by 4 4 4. Find a unit vector in the direction of a 2 times vector p plus 3 times vector q minus r, b q vector q plus 2 times vector r minus 3 times vector p. ይሄንን ትሞክራላችሁ። እኔ መልሱን እጽፋለሁ። መልሱ ካልመጣላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ ትጽፉልኛላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሶ የዚህ ቬክተር መልስ answer the unit vector, okay, answer 1 over root 3 comma 1 over root 3 comma 1 over root 3, okay, answer የዚህ መልስ answer, okay, 1 over root 3 comma 1 over root 3 comma 1 over root 3, okay, just ቅድም ያየነውን ስቴፕ ተከተሉና ይሄን መልስ አምጡ። so thank you for watching። ይህ አሃ ቲዩብ ነው። አሃ ቲዩብ 24 ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር ማድረግ አትርሱ። አፕላይድ ማቴማቲክስ፣ ኢንጂነሪንግ ሜካኒክስ ኮርሶች ለፍሬሽማን ተማሪዎች እዚህ ላይ ይገኛሉ። ሶ አሃ ቲዩብን ስለተከታተላችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ፣ መልካም ጥናት።